In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set visual level and chart level filters in Power BI. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively employ these filters in your reports. First, make sure you're in Power BI Desktop. It's the primary platform for creating your reports before sharing them online. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is import your data. If your data includes links to photos or images, make sure they are correctly formatted and accessible. This is crucial because visual data can significantly enhance your report's readability and engagement level. After your data is successfully imported, it's time to add the visualization you want. Power BI supports a variety of visual forms, such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. Choose the one that best suits your data and the message you wish to convey through your report. You can customize this visual later, but initially just focus on bringing your data to life in a meaningful way. Next, set up the report state to ensure your visualizations display data correctly. It's about aligning your visuals with the intended narrative of your data and confirming that everything is functioning as it should. This step is crucial for laying a solid foundation before applying any filters. Once your report state is set, open the Bookmarks pane. The Bookmarks pane allows you to manage and switch between different states of your report. You can think of bookmarks as snapshots of your report at various stages. They're incredibly useful for presentations or when you want to emphasize specific parts of your data. To open the Bookmarks pane, look for the View tab on the Power BI Desktop ribbon and select Bookmarks pane from there. With the Bookmarks pane open, you're ready to create a new bookmark. Click on the Add button to capture your current report view. This is particularly helpful if you plan on presenting or sharing your report, as it provides an easy way to navigate through different report views without having to manually adjust filters every time. After adding the bookmark, you can rename it to reflect the specific view it represents. For example, you might label it Sales Overview or Annual Trends, depending on what the view specifically highlights. By following these steps, you ensure that your Power BI report is not only visually compelling, but also highly functional. Filters and bookmarks are powerful tools that when used correctly, can vastly improve the interpretability and impact of your data presentations. They allow you to create a more interactive and tailored viewing experience for your audience, reinforcing the key messages you wish to convey. Stick around for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Power BI reports. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, happy data analyzing.